This is your time to be yourself. This is your moment to be where you want to be. This is your place. Begin to live so high that you can move sabay. This is your season to be the light. This is your reason to go beyond your dreams. This is your home. Begin to live the life that you can move sabay. Discover new horizons as you embark on each new day. Live your life to the fullest that you can move sabay.